A Wright State University professor has earned national attention with a breast cancer discovery. Dr. Julian Gomez Cambronero discovered a key protein in the development of the disease. He joins us this morning to explain what it means for breast cancer patients. Dr. Gomez Cambronero, thank you very much for joining us. Amazing discovery. What is this key protein we're talking about? Explain that to us.
All right. The name of this protein is phospholipase D. It goes by the name of PLD. So the gene that produces that protein is normally in the body. So what we did is we overexpressed it. And in doing so, the cells now became more aggressive and the tumors grew faster. Conversely, we silenced or deleted the gene that expressed that protein, and then the tumors were smaller and the metastases were in the lung were smaller also.
You describe it as a three-pronged approach.
Okay, the first one was
extracting this?
Yes, exactly,
okay.
Exactly. You're right. The first one was to overexpress it, increase it, and then tumors were growing faster. When you deleted it, then tumors grew more slowly. And the third approach was to take some new chemical inhibitors that we were testing in the laboratory, and then we delivered them to experimental models, and then again, the metastases in the lungs were much smaller.
How long did this take you from start to finish?
Probably.
I mean, he's putting this in layman's terms right now and reducing it to about a minute of explanation, but this took years?
It took about 2 years to do that. Prior, we did some experiments in the laboratory, but it was 2 years in the making.
Amazing discovery. Where do you go from here? Is this a possible cure for not only breast cancer, but other cancers?
Well, I hope so,
okay.
But there are so many experiments still to be done. There are many experiments to be done now in human tissues. The most interesting part also is that we now saw that in the tumors there are some immune cells coming by also at the same time. So very interesting, these cancer cells, the malignant cells, they trick those immune cells and they kind of co-opt them to help them grow. So they're kind of mean.
Fascinating work you do there, and we are so thankful and proud of you for doing that. Appreciate it. Keep us updated. This is progressing. This is ongoing. So good news in the fight against cancer. You can read more about Dr. Gomez Cambronero's discovery on fox45now.com. Just click on Fox 45 in the morning. Thanks for coming in. We do appreciate it.